Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add domain in Siteground hosting plan. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On top you see services menu. So click on it. Now you see my hosting plan. So you can select hosting plan according to your requirement and then click on manage. Now plan detail open. On right side you see three dot more option. So click on it and then you see add website. So again click on it. Now add new website section open. Now you see multiple option, new domain, existing domain, temporary domain. So you can select domain according to your requirement. So I am selecting existing domain. Select this option if you already have a domain and want to point it to SiteGround. So click on select. You can enter your domain name here and then click on continue. Then you see multiple option. Click on skip and create empty site and then scroll down, click on finish. Now creating your site. Now you see message, you are all set. Your website with domain has been created. You can go to site tool and you can add this DNS server to your domain. Now you see point your domain. Please point your domain to new host server, your new DNS are. So you can add this DNS in domain and then click on site tool. Now you see domain is added in SiteGround hosting plan. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.